Yeah, it just struck me, that is that life is a bit like having a really stressful factory job. All the time having to do things. The equipment is unreliable. The management's expectations are unrealistic. Life is a bit like that. And then the factory whistle goes off. Time for a break. So this is why we do formal meditation practice. Time for a break. And finally, there's no need to do anything. What a relief. Can you feel that? Normally we're trying to stay on top of things. So when you sit, there's no, you've left the realm of trying, right? So you sit basically without any expectation. Trump says you should sit like an empty coffee mug on your table. Just like that, no expectation, no agenda. And the real trick is just simply to experience. See, not to block out experience, not to fall after experience. It's just to experience. And so if you see activity in your mind, that's meditation. If you see stillness in your mind, that's meditation. It has to do with the seeing, experiencing, being alive, knowing. Stillness itself is not meditation. Openness is meditation. Stillness is not meditation. Openness, knowing, is meditation. And so you should really have no preference for a still mind. But it happens naturally in the absence of preference. So when you have no preference for a still mind, it's almost like some kind of a cosmic joke, You can't have what you want until you stop wanting it.
See who will stop.
Hold on, I forgot to mute everyone. Hold on.
Are you recording this one, Martin?
Oh, I am, yeah.
How do we know if you're recording this?
You don't know, I can see it over here.
You can see it.
Okay, so you know this nice little technique now as well, which is like maybe in the morning it's not so applicable, but you usually, like if you've been busy, simply to refocus your attention to feeling or seeing or hearing, feeling your breath, for example. Just you refocus that for just a short period, like 2 or 3 breaths, something like that. Then you just let go. Okay, so we'll do that for a little bit. not trying. No goal. Allowing everything. Every so often, you can just connect with the method just for a couple of breaths. Your shift is over. No need to relate to anything, just seeing, just knowing, that's enough. It's complete. Okay, back to work. Let me just say a few kind of concluding things. If you're sitting there and there's nothing going on, you can experience this. You're sitting there, that is the space aspect of mind. It's no need to panic, no need to establish anything. That's the space aspect of mind, out of which all appearances come. And if you're sitting there and there's a memory, that's the clarity aspect of mind. No need to panic. What's very special about this type of practice, I hope you're okay. What's very special about this kind of practice is that we're not relying on mind. We're not relying on judgment. What we're relying on is raw experience. Rigpa, knowing. That is what we rely on. And it is the short path. That's it.